Hi guys! For today's video ay lalabas ako kasama yung friend ko. And dahil mag-kibonten ako. Kibonten in English means, ano kibonten refreshment? Basta magpasyal-pasyal, ganon. So dahil nga summer, today is 33 degrees. So dahil mainit masyado, so mag-spray ako ng sun protection, UV spray, sunpad. So ayan, so spray mo lang siya sa body. Ayan. So ayan, dahil ready na. So let's go! Okay na. So, buti na lang meron akong air for bicycle. Nabili ko lang siya ng 100 yen sa Silio. So, ano natin siya? Kita ba? Itusok lang siya dito. Road Triathlon in Tahara, September 27, 28, 2025. Hanabi, September 27. Lagyan sila din, no? Ilang ano, dito ang bike. Dapat sila ice cream. Ice cream. Antay mo, ha? Mga haggard na. Bago pag inaabot, haggard na. Dapat ito, Tagalog na kaya pala. Pag sakura season, daghan mag-ano dali, daghan mag-picnic po. Okay na ba? Dili ko siya ano? Oh! After this name. Oh, this name.
She moves like a map with no border, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a pen.
Sa Arizona.
She's chasing skies I've never named while I
Fresh
stay
air.
in my lane.
Nice.
But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance.
Wala na ako na-appear sa video. Nidagan ang
She hums
bato.
a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities
Our
on
baon.
her wrist,
Chips and coke and
dreams she'll
chinelas.
never
Napil
keep.
pang chinelas sa baon.
I sip my
Baon naman sa
coffee, miss my cue,
Kibonten.
still anchored by my
Ang
feet.
ng chopstick.
But time rolls on like open road.
Ay, bitawan, pero ano naman to sa tayo ng chicken? Humok na siya, dili na siya crunchy ron. Our baon. Ang sagay na siya, barbecue flavor, chocolate, caramel corn, and my favorite. Ano siya, ebi. Bilhin na lang saan ng drinks. Pupunta kami sa murag dagat sa likod. Murag ng beach. Hi guys, we're going to hello guys. Wala pa, dili pa man siya end. Dili pa ni end. Gusto ko katrehan dito. Ay, pinakutulog na dito kami. Forest. Pangalan sa kahoy.
Walking in the forest, feeling so alive. The trees whisper secrets as I take in the sights. The birds sing melodies, the sun shines so bright. In this peaceful heaven, everything feels right. Walking in the forest, feeling free. Nature's beauty surrounds me. The leaves crunch beneath my feet. In this moment, I feel complete. The air is so fresh, the breeze on my skin. I close my eyes and let the magic in. The
Let's go.
colors of the flowers.
Uy, ito na yung mong dala ng cellophane. Baligya na.
In this tranquil place, I find my dream.
Let's go.
Walking in the forest, feeling free. Nature's beauty surrounds me. The leaves crunch beneath my feet. In this
Oh, gamay na
moment,
siya.
I
Pero
feel
nice
complete.
siya, day.
I lose myself in the beauty of this place. The worries of the world I can't even trace. In the forest, I find peace of mind. A sanctuary for my soul to unwind.
Pero, day. Kapoy na ka.
Walking in the forest, feeling free. Nature's beauty surrounds me. The leaves crunch beneath my feet. In this moment, I feel complete. I lose myself in the beauty
Nice ang
of this
clouds.
place. The worries of the world I can't even trace.
Nice din itong
In the
sakura.
forest, I find peace of mind.
Parang ano ba?
A
Ba't siya naka-on?
sanctuary for my soul to unwind. Walking in the forest, feeling free. Nature's beauty surrounds me. The leaves crunch beneath my feet. In this moment, I feel complete.
Adventure. Hero ba? Or siya ano o, Ghibli
I'll
style.
cherish this moment forever in my heart. Walking in the forest where my soul finds its spark.
ano, no?